Oh boy. Ladies. Can't believe I did that. Dummy, 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 dummy. Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. This is Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Hope you all are doing good. I'm out for a little spin on the Sportster today. Me and Tuck out for a little cruise. I don't have a lot of time. Not going to be a really long ride, but just wanted to get out and do some sightseeing. I'll bring you along for the ride. I left the house and did not put my wallet in my pocket. So I am riding without money, my driver's license. So I have to ride the 3 miles back to the house. .2 gallon gas tank. How much do you think it's going to take? 1.3 gallons. All right, there we go. All right, so here we are out for a ride. Ordinarily a wonderful, beautiful, sunny day, but not today. Today it's kind of crappy, poopy, icky, cocky duty, chilly, crappy, cocky duty, icky, stinko, not sunny day. I know that's a lot to take in, but deal with it. So as we said before, here I am out on the Sportster, and you'll notice, oh my God, you'll notice something really cool right away, right off the get-go. You'll notice something cool. Yes, you'll notice things are a little bit different. How different are they? Well, first of all, you'll notice that this camera is pointed in a good direction. It's pointed that way. You can see. Look at that. I got the new mount, and I am extremely happy with it. And then with GoPro number 1, that would be you right there. I've changed the resolution on that camera. So today we're just going to go do a little sightseeing roundabout, aka circle. One of the things about the channel which has been pretty interesting is that what I've noticed, and again, completely my fault, totally my fault, is that my content, well, it kind of sucks. To be honest with you, it kind of sucks. I mean, I'm trying to be entertaining and all that. That's fine, but I'm not giving you nothing. I'm really not. You know, I'm just showing you some cool places or roads. Like here we are, and so that's going to change. Starting with not this ride, but starting with the next ride. Well, it's going to be interesting. I can't even say next ride. Coming up, not only the Roadside America stuff, which I always thought was very, very interesting, very cool, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a different destination with each ride and lead you into it. There's places around all over the country, but there's places in North Carolina that are, and even South Carolina, which are kind of quirky that I think you should know about. And these may be places you might want to visit. So I will take you there. Chick-a-boom, chick-a-boom, chick-a-boom. Maybe I'll just go around the roundabout several times. Would you enjoy that? Maybe. No, I'm not going to do that. Headed towards Ocean Isle Beach. Ocean Isle Beach is one of the barrier island kind of communities and beaches. So what we have here is a whole bunch of beach houses that are rented out. If you're looking for a place to go to vacation and you want to rent a house on the beach or off the beaten path close to the beach, this is where you go. Freshly paved for me, no doubt. We're gonna ride this all the way to the end. At Ocean Isle Beach, this is what it looks like. And you can rent houses here. And what's really cool about this is that many of these places are rentals. And what the owners do is they'll give their house a name, so that when they put it on the website or if they put it on VRBO, right, the Queen Mary, for example, Papa's Place, Seeing Double, Blue Heaven. So the Crab Shack was one of them. And some of the names are clever. They actually give it some thought. Sand Edge, and you'll see a lot of for rent signs on all of these. And I know what you're thinking. Boring. But it's not that bad, really. Sunrise Sail. Wishing Well. I like that they have a bike lane here, so I may have to come down here. When I'm able to ride my bike again, my bicycle I should say, I may come down here. Seawolf. Tanner on the beach. Cute tree. Adam's Rib. Oh, what's this one? The Winds. See, I should have stopped there. Oh, what's this up here? What is this? End of road work. Ooh, look at this gravel. No kidding. Haven't done that yet. Gravel. No. Oh, squirrely. Yes, very squirrely. Oh, look at this. We can see the beach. I think I should stop. Absolutely no cabanas. Absolutely nothing. No breathing. $100 fines for staying off the dune. Let's see. Let's go take a look. I'm not really off-roading, I'm on gravel roads. Okay, let's go. Be careful here. It did squirrely. All right, here we go. That's interesting. All right. Took it out. Oh, what's this street? I took her on gravel road. How about that? Never done that before. Let's wave to the man and the dog. Sand. Look at this. Wow. Holy crap balls. A little bit of sand, huh? Oh, private property. Can't go that way. No outlet. Dead end. Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, look at this. Oh, shit. I think the road kind of disappears there. What's this way? Oh, I can keep going. Look at this. I'm following, looking at the map, so I'm just... Okay. All right, interesting, interesting. That goes straight. Okay, so I can't go any further that way. All right, road due to construction, residential traffic only. So let's go this way. Where does this go? I don't know. Road closed. Well, it would be because it kind of ends. Can I go in here? Ferry landing. Ferry landing park. Why would there be a ferry over here? For what? Hey, I know where that is. Ha ha ha, I've been there. Oops. I think I see why that's closed. Looks like... Kind of looks like, looks like there was an error. Let me check something, make sure my camera's still working. Exploring. Oh, by the way, speaking of GPSs, interesting thing happened. So, I plugged in the GPS a couple days ago, and I said, you know what? Let me see what I can do with it. You know, I got the maps updated as I usually do, but I knew that it, you know, probably wasn't going to work. So, and then after the maps updated, I unplugged it from the computer, and I said, let me turn it on. Let me see something. So I turned it on, and it allowed me to do a couple things. It allowed me to touch to this, and it responded, which I was very surprised about. It responded, and then I went to the settings, and then I went to the thing where it says reset. I just happened to actually stumble across that. I was like, oh, reset. And I went, So I did a reset. I set it back to factory settings, and it's the damnedest thing. It works fine. Yes, the GPS works fine now. So, I do not have a mount for the GPS for the Sportster, and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get one for it, but that's a good thing to know. So that means that maybe I can put the GPS on here, you know, stick it up back here somewhere, whatever. But that's good. I can't wait to see what that camera looks like, because I reset it to the 920, and I think that's the fisheye view. I'm not sure. I can't wait to see it. I don't know if I want to go back that way. Can I go straight? Can I go? Let me go. Go straight. Let's see what's down here. Let me turn here. Should I wave to these people? Should I wave? Should I wave to these people? Hi! They're thinking, what the hell is wrong with that guy? Can I go through? I can go this way. Okay. I can, and I will. Ooh, a nice little heat coming off the engine there. Nice! Uh-oh. 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 More gravel? Sand. Sand bad. Ooh. Sand bad. Ooh. Oh, oops. I was lied to. Oh, crap. Okay. Got me an itchy boots moment. Okay. Alrighty then. Didn't expect that. Well, today was a very interesting ride, wasn't it, boys and girls? Who would have thought? So there's that content I was telling you about, right? A little more interesting, I would. All right, before I close this video out, thank you very much for tuning in. First of all, by the time you see this video, that'll be 2 days. It will be Myrtle Beach Bike Week. And if you are in the area, please stop down, hit up Barefoot Landing while you're in Myrtle Beach for the Bike Week. And you will see me. I will be at the J&P Cycles booth. And I'll be hanging out with Craig Johnson with Wild Ass Seats. So if you want to stop in and say hello, come down there. That's where I'll be. I'll be on, depending upon the weather. If it's crappy on Saturday, look for me there on Sunday. And I will be hanging out with Craig Johnson from Wild Ass Seats. And I'll be there from 12 to 4. All right? Thank you very much for watching this video, boys and girls. If you liked it, please give me a nice big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. Tell your friends about it. And we will see you in the next video. In the meantime, what I want you to do, more than anything, is ride safe. And I'll see you in the next video, all right? Peace out, kids. See ya.